Alright, what's up y'all? I am on my G7X now, and we are going to put the tripod together. So tripod, we're gonna put the what is this, the backdrop together. So okay. So open up the two stands, and I actually think I want one right here, okay, and I'm going to do the other one right here. Okay, now I truly don't know why there's 3 poles, so I'm gonna see if they have some instructions and see if I can resort to the instructions on this part, because I'm kind of like, why is there all these poles? Okay. 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 I guess the poles are like to make it longer if you want to. I don't need it to be that long, as y'all can see. Crossbar installation. I should have one A. I should have 2 B's and 1 D. Not sure why they don't have any C's, but okay. Let's see. Okay. Have to put the legs where I want the, okay, I see. So bars A and B is where bars A and B are the end bars. So I might have to push it out some, y'all. Okay, so this is the end bar, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna take, I don't know if you can see, I'll grab the camera. I have to change the battery on it anyway, so let me grab that. But this little twisty thing right here, we'll twist this off and put, oops, and we're going to put this on here like this, and then you twist this into place like that. This one, this is how it says to do it, but that doesn't seem like, do I twist it on afterwards? Oh, fuck. So you also have to twist these little things off. This right here. So there should be 2 of them. This probably shouldn't have been that complicated to take off, but oh well. Then, oh, one stays on, and then this goes on, and then one is supposed to be like on top, and then you screw the thing on. This shit still doesn't, I don't know. This is still kind of weird. I don't know, but let me change the fucking battery real quick. And yeah, it's supposed to. Let me change the battery, y'all, and like try to figure some shit out, because I can't hold the camera and do this. So hold on. Alright, y'all, I'm back. So I've realized that I won't even need the middle pieces, but of course I'm gonna keep them. So again, we're supposed to like do this thing and put this on there, but that shit ain't really working. So I'm just gonna like straighten it up and screw this. I don't like, y'all, this shit not screwing on here. What the fuck? Y'all, I must be missing something. Like, the fuck? Hold up. I must be missing something. Okay, so look, that shit is not going the fuck on there, okay? But what I've realized in the meantime is that I don't need the 2B pieces. I just need this. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna snap this part in, because it snaps in the middle. So, alright. So, and we're gonna see what we get twerking with this side. Maybe if I take the thingies all the way off, maybe it'll work like that. Which it seems to does. It seems to does. Don't talk like that. That shit sounds terrible. Okay. Alright, so it looks to me like it works better if you actually like take the little silver things off and just use, like, take these silver things off and just use it like this, and then try screwing it on. Yeah, that actually works. But if y'all look, okay, but if y'all look on the instructions, it says to like put the silver things on there. Whatever, I'll save them for like something else, but as y'all can see, they're off now. I probably should have raised this up to the length that I wanted it to be first, but it's okay. You live and you learn. Okay, this one isn't raising. Okay, there we go. So, I guess about this high is good. Okay. Y'all, I did this like hella backwards. Like, alright, whatever. I wanted it to be even though. Plus, I can't reach it if it's way up there. Oh shit, y'all. If you raise the shit up, okay. So I'm not the right motherfucker to listen to when it comes to stuff like this, because before y'all seen how it wasn't much on there, but now it's like a little bit more showing. If you raise it up, apparently you get like more something out of it. So look, this is what I'm gonna do. I showed y'all what came in the motherfucking box. I'm gonna put this shit together real quick, and then I'm gonna just sit the camera down and put this shit together, okay? It's hot, y'all. Okay, y'all, so we had a bit of a problem. This little toggle right here is broken. I don't know if y'all can hear. Well, I'm trying to undo it now, but this one is definitely broken, and it shouldn't be. It's like doing this click 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 thing, and it shouldn't be. So I'm going to try to figure something out with that, and I'll get right back to y'all. Alright, y'all, I finally got the shit up, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so in my next video, y'all gonna see a little backdrop. I think I have some fabric in there. I'm also gonna reuse the gold fabric that I had from back before, but yeah, that's what we got. So, and again, you know, we're gonna take the little thingies and like clip them on like that, and that's pretty tight. That ain't going nowhere. So yeah, that's what we got, and like I said, y'all will see how it looks and stuff in the next video. But again, I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all hit the notification button so that y'all can receive notifications when I upload new videos. Make sure y'all comment, subscribe, and like all my motherfucking videos, and I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.
They be watching what I do. Hold it ready for the show.